We had no idea how Tesla would change our lives. I wear a lot of hats. I am a producer for commercials. I am a mom.
In the beginning, we just had one car, and we would fight over who got to drive it.
So the rule was whoever was driving the furthest would get the Tesla. And now we've added a Model X to our family. We're a very busy family, so we have to travel a lot every day.
Paige drives a lot. We never know exactly where she's going.
I use my Model X like my office. I do a lot of conference calls. Autopilot lets me do that when it's bumper to bumper. I can put on autopilot and know that we're going to be safe.
Charging has never been a problem.
Todd likens it to charging your cell phone. When you get home at night, you plug in your cell phone. That's how we do it with our cars. I don't think that there's another car out there that gets better the longer you own it.
The performance is amazing. Technology is amazing.
That's a huge testament to what's important to me for my family.
That's why we like Teslas, because they keep up with us.
And I love that. I'm Paige, and my family is an electric family.